Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, also known as Eda Ray. On this channel, I love to post budgeting, cash stuffing, and debt payoff videos. If you guys are interested in that, I will suggest you guys hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything like that, you just want to say hey, leave it in the comments down below. But today's video, we are stuffing $151. I may stuff again later this month, but right now all I have is $151, and we are only going to stuff certain envelopes. Everything will not get stuffed. So let's go ahead and count all of the money before we get started. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You guys, I'm trying to fix it while I'm doing it. Sorry. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So $151 is what we have to stuff. This one just does not want to fit. This does not want to cooperate. So we're gonna just let that one be great and let it do what it do. So that is what we are stuffing. What has everyone been up to? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are finished Christmas shopping. Hopefully this video will be up by before Christmas while I'm asking that question. If it's up after Christmas, let me know how your Christmas was. So today, once again, we are only stuffing $151. I did not write on my envelopes, you guys, so I am going to have to write on them on video. But let's have a little chit chat while I am doing that. Eating out is only going to get $5. I did put some I did put binders, you know, the A6 binders that everyone has that they're using. I did put that on my Christmas list. Hopefully I get it. If not, I'll buy it for myself. I'll save for it and buy it for myself, because the envelopes that I bought are starting, I mean not bought, that I made are starting to like be a little crappy, which is okay. So eating out now has 5, good lord, 10, 15, 16, 17. It now has $17. If I want to get myself, if I don't feel like cooking that day, I can go get something to eat. Or if I want to treat myself while I am out. Next, spending money is going to get $20. Now you guys, I don't know if I told you guys this before or not, but this is something I don't know what happened. I'm missing $3 and I can't remember to save my life. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I can't remember to save my life what I spent that $3 on. So yeah, I did say today's the 16th, right? I hope that's what I put on there, whatever. But you know what? I don't know what I was talking about before I started talking about something else. If you guys don't know, I have adult ADD. I'll jump from one subject to another without even realizing it until like after the fact. So I do apologize about that. But like I said, spending money is going to get $20, giving us 95. Oh, I know what I was going to say. I don't unstuff my envelopes. If I didn't spend anything that week, well, that's fine. I'm not going to unstuff it. So let's give it four fives. So my spending money it keeps growing and growing. Like maybe I want to buy myself something big once I have it all saved up. I don't know what is going on, but saving money or spending money should now have 95. So let's count it: 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Awesome. If you do cash stuffing, let me know in the comments down below if you like unstuff yours every week. I don't do that, because if I didn't spend it, it's okay. I'm gonna just use it for the following week and maybe put less in. Next is gonna be gas. Gas is going to get $10. As you know, I work from home and I really don't be going anywhere, so I do not spend a lot of money on gas unless I do Instacart. If I do Instacart, then I take out of the Instacart money. I don't actually take out of this. Sounds crazy, I know, but you know, it makes sense to me. So now gas has 20, 40, 45, 50. I feel like you guys can't see me. I don't know. Hopefully I don't need to zoom in. I'm not gonna zoom in and it'd be like, wow, why does she zoom in? Now everything's like up close and personal. So I am just gonna leave it like it is. Hopefully you guys can see pretty well. Next, groceries is going to get $30. My husband did give me money for groceries. Well, he always gives me money for groceries. I didn't put it on here. Whatever, already spent it. It's whatever. So there's really no need. This is, no, when I guess I should have told you guys this at the beginning. When I do cash stuffing and I do my budget or my debt and anything, it's all about me. My husband is not included in any of this. So what he gives me for groceries and everything else is not included in what I put in here. I do not include his paychecks or his income or anything in my budget like that. This channel is about me, so I only include my budget. But for groceries, we're going to go ahead and put $30. So now groceries should have $156. Let's see if it has it, because I haven't been being a good girl in actually updating these. Oh wait, no, I did update it 2 days ago. Okay, so we should be good. It should be 156. So let's count it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56. Look at that. I am doing good. 156. Okay then. All right. Next is gonna be Joe's spending. If you guys don't know who Joseph is, that is my son. I am going to give him, or one of my sons, I'm sorry, one of my sons, I'm going to give him in his envelope $20. He prefers cash, so I mean not cash, of course he prefers cash. He prefers ones, so I am going to give him a lot of ones simply because that is what he likes. He likes to use them at the vending machine at school. So let's go ahead and give him about 15 ones and a 5. So he has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is for Joseph. So let's count everything that he has. He should have 33. Let's count it. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Awesome. And this was this morning, so I need to put that that's 1/6. It looks like just December 6th. So his is good. I do need to print some new cards. I think my spending money needs a new card. All right. So, did I already put money into beauty? No, I didn't. Beauty gets 10. So now beauty should have $12. 5, 10, 11, 12. This says eyebrows because I used to have like a separate envelope for eyebrows and everything else beauty related. I just switched it all to beauty. It just makes, because all I ever do is get my eyebrows done most of the time. But right here I did, I don't know, let me just bring it up a little closer instead of zooming in. Right here in the green it says mask. I did buy myself some masks at Target that I really like to use on my face, and those were $10. And I buy those like every other month. Next we have taxes. Taxes will only get $6. I know it should be 20% of my income, but I plan to do Instacart this weekend, and hopefully whatever I make from Instacart, which hopefully is a lot, whatever I make from it, I'm going to put into the envelopes. to give all of my envelopes something, because all of my envelopes did not get something this this go around. So now taxes should have $91. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 91. And you know what? I did write on my card approximately how much I want to actually save for each card. And last but not least is going to be a laptop. Laptop always gets 50. My motherboard went out on my laptop. I don't know when it went out. They've had my laptop for so long, but the stuff that they need is on back order. So we're just waiting, but that is good because it gives me time to actually save up and actually be able to pay for it instead of putting it onto like a credit card or something like that. All right, so now laptop should have, oops, wrong one. Laptop should now have 201 if I calculate it correctly. So let's count it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Oh, 211. I didn't calculate right, you guys. I don't know how to count. 211. That is, let me make sure that's right. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 5, 10, 11. 211. Yes. And my husband is IT, and he said it might cost like $500 for them to fix. So that is what I am saving up. Hopefully it doesn't cost that much. Hopefully it's less and I can move that money over somewhere else, but we will see. That is all for this video, everyone. If you enjoyed this cash stuffing video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a hey in the comments down below. Also, if you really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Do you ever call by?